Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you a way to fix this error that you might be getting when trying to upgrade to Windows 10. Okay, mainly this error appears after a failed update attempt. Because some files remained where they shouldn't remain, and you need to clean them. So go to your partition, your system partition, right click on it, go to properties, go to tools. Actually no, sorry, it was in other versions in tools. Here you can actually see it in general, disk cleanup. At this point, go to Clean Up System Files. It will take a little bit until it calculates exactly how much all the files use on your particular drive. If you see it is taking way too long, like it is in my case, you have two variants. Wait for it to finish, could take hours, or give your system a reboot. Yes, I have Windows 8.1 on this system, so yeah, it wants update and restart. That's not going to happen. Where is desktop? This is desktop. Yeah, it just ended while I was trying to go to that. I did not want it to go to update and restart, because it would already have a problem, because it already failed. And now when you have this menu, select everything, all that you can see, temporary files, temporary Windows installation, everything that you have in this list, select it. Let me just check once again. Yes, everything is selected. OK, and delete files. And again, it will maybe take a while. And it just finished. When it finishes, it just closes, so you will not see any message. OK, close this thing, and let's try and run the Windows update once again and see what we get. Nope, still error, so it really does need a restart, but I don't want it to update and restart. So let's see if the update option disappeared. I really do hate this variant. Let's try and use shutdown, because it doesn't say update and shutdown, so maybe yeah, I think we got away without any updates. So be back when this thing boots up. Okay, and we are back. Let's see what we get. Ta-da! And it's working. So it needs you to clear its files and give it a reboot or a shutdown or whatever. Make sure nothing remains in the memory. So yeah, this has been it guys for this video. Hopefully it also works for you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!